In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email with Insightly CRM. We'll walk through the full flow from opening Insightly to composing, previewing, and sending or scheduling your message so you can communicate with contacts confidently and keep everything tracked in your CRM. Start by signing into your Insightly account and heading to the home screen. From there, open the contacts area. This is where all your individual people live, and it's the best place to start when you want to send a one-to-one email. Use search or filters to find the person you want to reach, then click into their contact record to open the details page. On the contact record, look for the Actions menu. Open it and choose Email this contact. That launches Insightly's email composer with the contact already selected as the recipient, saving you the hassle of copying addresses or worrying about typos. If your team uses email templates, you'll be prompted to pick a template type and then a specific template. Templates help you stay on brand and ensure consistent messaging. If you don't see a template you need, you can proceed without one and write the email from scratch. Add a clear, concise subject line that sets the right expectation. In the email body, personalize your message. If you used a template, scan for placeholders and make sure they're filled in correctly. Keep paragraphs short, use plain language, and if needed, add links or simple formatting to improve readability. Before you move on, proofread for tone and clarity. If you need to include files, add your attachments now. Double-check file names and versions, and keep sizes reasonable so the email sends smoothly. When your content looks good, click Next to preview. In the preview, confirm the recipient, subject, body content, and attachments. Look for any formatting issues, broken links, or leftover placeholders. If something needs adjusting, go back and make edits. When everything checks out, click Next again to proceed. Now choose when to send the email. You can send it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. If you schedule, confirm the time zone and pick a time that works best for your recipient. This can improve open rates and response times. When you're ready, click Finish to confirm. Insightly will send or schedule the email and automatically log the activity on the contact record, so your team has a clear history of communication. That's it, your email is on its way, fully tracked inside Insightly. Thanks for watching and happy sending.